What's included in your long block engine delivery from Powertrain Products? We're often asked exactly how our engines come, what comes with them, and what the mechanic or shop will have to do to get it installed into the vehicle. These questions are sometimes difficult to answer because we do sell engines in various configurations and with various components. But let's talk about some of the most common ways that our engines are delivered to you. This is a front-wheel drive engine we refer to as a long block. And this engine includes the oil pump and a gasket kit so that your mechanic can swap over the block and cylinder head or heads. This is the most common way we sell and deliver the majority of our engines. In addition to the block and cylinder head, things like the oil pan, valve covers, intake manifold, timing cover, exhaust manifolds, and all of your external accessories, including the AC, power steering, the mounts and brackets, your flex plate on the back, fuel injectors and wiring, all of your hoses and your water pump will have to be swapped over. We do also sell engines with the oil pan and the timing cover, and sometimes the valve covers, already installed. It depends on your specific application and needs. If you have any concerns about which components will come with your engine, your Powertrain Products salesman can answer all your questions. Follow the link in the description below to contact the Powertrain Products representative and learn more.